everyone, let me take you through our journey from problem to solution. So where did it start from? It started with the condition of the jewelry retail sector. Here we can see the customers are not happy with the in-store designs and leave the store. The retail manager here is now worried and decides to tell Gold Star about the problem. The problem of the ever-changing customers' taste and preferences. After so much of research and brainstorming, the concept of app was developed and conveyed to the Gold Star. Here are the Captivators presenting appropriate solution to the Gold Star. With the use of this app, the customers are now happy as they get to design their own product. This gives high customization, which leads to high satisfaction.